Hey, it's Shay. I'm currently editing the video that you're about to be watching and I realized I made no intro. So hi, I'm getting ready to leave for the airport in 2 hours to go to Hawaii. So this is all the preparation up until this, talking a little bit about what it's going to be like to prepare during the pandemic and all the rules that Hawaii has and how I'm getting ready for that. Also outfits relating to my last video about things that work for me in the summer and hot weather to wear with my body style. So hope you like it. Continue to watch. I don't know. Bye. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Hey everybody. I've been such a good vlogger today. What's up? So I had a massage. I had an adjustment. Kalina is making pho and mojitos. And Celeste is doing a little chop shop bathroom hair appointment.
I'm a real hairdresser though.
She has a real one.
I'm real.
But I am making her life miserable right now. So here's the deal.
Shut up.
Here's what we're gonna do. We did a little bit of coloring, but it's just my usual, you know? I wanna spice it up a little bit, be a little spicy. So we put toner on my blonde. I lost it somewhere in here. But we're gonna tone all my blondes, make it a little bit more dark for fall time. This is gonna probably not be that different, but I feel exciting. Okay. Good morning. So it's the next day. I am a work in progress, okay? I will get better for you. I sound like some of my ex-boyfriends, but I actually mean it. I have my hood on because we ended up doing some different stuff to my hair, and I haven't had my natural strawberry blonde hair all over since middle school. Like, it's been a long time. And it's hard to go back to my natural because there isn't like a dye for my hair color. Like, it's hard because when people try and become redheads, it looks like purple or really not good, like Ariel red, and that's not my red. It's like it's a hard tone and color to match, and I just felt feisty. I wanted to do something different. You can already see it. I'm just gonna take it out. So I don't know if you know what it looked like before or if I even really got to show you guys, but this is the after. Normally I'm super nervous about doing anything different to my hair, and so she knows that I will freak out normally, but this time I really there was something running through me that just wanted to do something different. It ended up being like my identical natural shade because I don't do anything to my underlayer. I never have. So this is my natural, always has been, but I asked like people I've known for years and they think I'm blonde. People don't know I'm a redhead. And so now I feel like you can see past the blonde chunks and you can just see my under natural red better. I'm like a nice cinnamon blonde. So I am on my extended lunch break right now because I have to go get COVID testing. I have to drive 50 minutes there, 50 minutes back, and my lunch is an hour. It was supposed to be an hour and 40 minutes, I think. I am just now getting to Tacoma where we have to do the rapid testing for my Hawaii trip. I leave for Hawaii tomorrow, and the process to get in is pretty extensive for the most part. I don't know. I've had some friends go that said it wasn't too bad, but now instead of quarantining you have a required COVID test that you have to get, but it's specific places all during my work hours, so I had to try my best to get this scheduled correctly. I figured I would just bring you guys with today because I actually have a kind of crazy day. I'm gonna try and get my brows laminated after work today.
Put back in the wrapper.
Okay.
Now, if it's really tight, you can go ahead and spin it in one place, but make sure you
Clean this. Oh my gosh. Okay, in a circle. Oh, this is way worse than last time. Oh, I'm crying. Ooh, okay.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
You too. Okay, let's try it. Also, navigated back to work. I'm getting there. plenty of time. This has been great. I don't know, I love this. It's a little long break. Delicious. Hi. Okay, so, don't know if you can see my face. Now I am finishing work early because I'm able to get in with the brow girl that can laminate and tip my brows before my trip. So I'm changing out of my scrubs because I don't wear them home because there's a pandemic going on and I'm in people's mouths all day. I'm gonna run out of here and drive another 30 minutes north this time to get my brows done, which I've never had done. I've never laminated or tinted. So I'm super excited because one of the girls at my work has hers done. They look super good. Got to my lamination place and I'm just gonna film a before. Ooh. I'll show you guys the after when I'm done. Okay, bye. Hi! I never showed you my brows last night. So this is next day. They look crazy right now. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. She tinted them the lightest shade she had for blondes, even though I'm no longer blonde. They are not even 24 hours in, so I'm not supposed to get them wet. So I've been like showering around them, washing my face around them, self-tanning around them because I have my flight like less than 24 hours after. So it's 1 o'clock right now. I haven't packed, but I have clothes laid out that I want to pack. And I just wanted to first, before I do that, kind of show you guys what I'm going to pack for Hawaii. Last video I posted, I was talking about how summer outfits are really difficult for me to find. But then it's already fall because I was scared to post the video, so it took a while. But now it's already fall, which is the season I'm comfortable with because I can cover my girls. However, I'm going to Hawaii and that's warm, hot summer weather where I'm going back to the struggle of trying to find not too revealing, I guess, more modest but flattering outfits for my figure. So I have just some outfits, not really full outfits. I'm just gonna like switch. That's the best thing about this. It's kind of my summer capsule wardrobe, summer to fall transition capsule wardrobe that I've been working on. It's not the full one. I think I'm gonna post a fall full capsule wardrobe that I've been putting together soon if you guys want to see that, because fall, like I said, is my favorite time to style outfits. And by style I mean like the laziest effort put in possible. So this is the first outfit. I'm just gonna kind of walk back and show you what I have. I don't even know if I'm in frame. Am I in frame? I don't think I'm in frame. My head's gonna be cut off this whole time. Hold on a minute. So these shorts are the mom jean shorts, I think, from Zara. And I still have the tag on them because for some reason it's the same size as the black pair I have, which I'm also bringing. Love them, they fit perfectly. And I got a size US 4. These are a size US 4 and these fit completely different and they're very like diaper butt-ish on me. Got the black pair, I'll show you those in a little bit. I'm wearing the famous Zara bodysuit that I didn't think would be very flattering on me, but as you can kind of see, my girls are holding in for the most part. They definitely start in a certain spot and then like move to wherever they want to go. There's no other areas I can really come out of other than the side, and they're holding in, so I'll take it. I'm not too picky. Like I said, if I find something I remotely like, I grab it. I like having baggier shorts so that it's not like super skin tight all the way down, because then it's just like, yeah, hello. I'm gonna bring probably a pair of sandals and then athletic shoes. So these are the Sam Edelman Lorraine loafer, which I love. I got these on Poshmark because it literally came in the box brand new, never worn. Okay, and then this belt I got from, I think, Marshall's a while ago, and it came with like a bag that attaches to it. So this is one outfit, and it's not really an outfit, but then I will be throwing on this blazer, which I got from Zara. But I'll just throw this on if I want a little bit more coverage, or just like it gets chilly at night maybe. I don't know even what the weather's supposed to be like, so this is what I'll be wearing for this next outfit. Actually, not next outfit. I'm going to bring out pretty much all the tops that I'm bringing and show you something, because this is my color selection. And I have a pair of black shorts that are identical to this. I have these blue shorts and I have a pair of blue denim jeans. With this, you can combine anything. So that's why I'm not gonna show you every single outfit, because I plan on being able to swap out when I'm feeling whatever I'm feeling at that moment. This is kind of just a cropped style, not linen, but kind of a linen-y top, Forever 21, but I think I thrifted this like last year. I don't know, like I said, I keep clothes forever. Actually, these two identical plain t-shirts. I've been looking for a good just plain t-shirt, and this I actually found in the men's section at Zara. It's a black version and a white version of a slim fit, really good fit quality t-shirt. Sometimes men's clothing is better than women's clothing, because for some reason we get the thin, paper thin, see-through shirts, which suck. So go to the men's section. Next is this top. I love this top, and it's actually very flattering for me. It's a little bit cropped and it has a really, really pretty square neckline. I wore this to bachata. I think I just wore black jeans, this belt, and some black heels. Like, easy. Easy! Capsule wardrobes are easy, that's why I love them. This is a Zara version of the Frankie Shop, like, padded shoulder shirt. I think I got it in tan. You can get it in multiple fabrics too, which I love. I have like a really soft one that feels like cashmere that's not cashmere. So everybody needs a shirt like this. I think it's considered an Oxford shirt. I'm not gonna do like a full try on unless you guys really want to see any of these pieces like on. Man, this diaper look is really flattering. Tell me I look great. I'm packing both because staples. Look at that. Whole different look. Look at that, bam. Oh, wait, oh. These sandals are super fun. I'm gonna try them on. I'm gonna show ya. It doesn't go with my outfit, but you know what? I'm gonna give you another look. I'm gonna give you one more look, okay? Let's put our work into this video. I'm not here for nothing. I'm not here to mess around. I'll have to put a bra on. Ugh. I struggle. I'm literally tucking it in. Like, I could just put it on. So easy. I don't even know. I didn't even have to think about it, which is my kind of outfit. What else did I pack? Hold on. Let me go find what else I packed. Is this interesting to you guys? I don't know. Hold on. So these are the jeans I'm bringing. These are my staple jeans that I wore in the summer. They are finally long enough for me because I'm almost 5'10". These are from Aritzia. It's Denim Forum. So this is a wrap dress, and I repurposed it because I hated the length. So I cropped it, cut it, hemmed it. I didn't hem it. I cut it with kitchen scissors. If anything, it's just a swimsuit cover up. So thank you for watching this part, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Also, look at these. I have to do a thing, and they feel crusty. It's not normal. I should take care of them so they don't fall out. Is that a potential? I'm gonna put some oil on my eyebrows. I'm gonna go. Okay.
Diamonds stay with you. You're never gonna hear my heart break. Never gonna move that diamond.